Help, a person sent me this picture, said how to trace it. I sent them this picture. It has on the picture exactly how to trace all the points and the directions on how to trace it right here. Let's go ahead and do it. We're going to click Trace Start. Then we're going to click Line. And then we're going to digitize, it's there. And we're going to digitize points A, B, and C. Then we're going to switch to Curve Fit, and we're going to digitize points D, E, F, G, and so on. What we're doing is we're tracing the outline as a nice smooth curve using these points, just going all the way around. M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U. Then we're going to do a line at the very end. And then we're going to click Stop. We're going to click 3-point for the circle. Click Start. We're going to do points X, Y, and Z. And there we have it. It's great. Let's save the file.